Hello students, I welcome you all once again to your Maths Online class. Yes students, in my last lecture I have explained you question number 1 to question number 4 of exercise 4.1 and I hope you must have completed all these 4 questions in your Maths CW notebook, right? And today I am ready to explain you question number 5th, 6th and 7th of the same exercise, okay? So without wasting the time, let's begin with question number 5th. So in question number 5th, basically it is the fill in the blanks and we have to write the correct symbol, that which one is greater and which one is smaller. If you remember, when I have given the introduction portion of this chapter, then in the examples I have explained you some parts related to these questions. Remember, it was given on page number 46, this question. In example, I have explained you how to put the greater than and less than sign, right? So, this particular question of this exercise is related to that example only. So, just watch how to write, how to put the greater than or less than sign. See, in A part, one side it is given -4 and other side it is given -11. So we have to put the sign that which number is greater from both this. First of all, you see that both the side minus sign is there, okay? You can see minus sign both the side. So whenever minus sign is there both the side, then the number which seems to you smaller is actually greater and the number which seems to you greater is actually smaller. जो नंबर आपको माइनस साइन में छोटा लग रहा है एक्चुअली वही बड़ा होता है और जो आपको बड़ा लगता है एक्चुअली वही छोटा होता है, बिकॉज इन नेगेटिव ऑपोजिट रूल फॉलोज. नेगेटिव नंबर्स में ऑपोजिट रूल चलता है. जो नंबर बेसिकली आपको छोटा लगता है वो बड़ा होता है और जो बड़ा लगता है वो छोटा होता है. सो राइट नाउ -4 विल बी ग्रेटर देन -11. -11 विल नॉट बी ग्रेटर देन -4. So you have to put the sign towards -4, open sign towards -4. Then B part, again minus sign is there both the side, -13 and -11. So which one will be greater? Yes, of course, -11 will be greater than -13. As I told, opposite rule will be followed in minus. So -11 will be greater than -13. Now, first of all, you just check the signs only. Then in C part, minus plus. See, whenever one side minus is there, other side plus is there, then no need to see the number, directly you can put the sign, because positive numbers are always greater than negative numbers. Positive integers are always greater than negative integers. So here positive 2 will be greater than negative 2. Negative 2 will not be greater. Fine. Then D part. One side it is -91 and other side it is +19. So again minus plus. So as I told, positive numbers will always be greater than negative numbers. So obviously +18 will be greater than -91. Then now in E part, both the numbers are with negative sign, -111 and -110. So again, when both the sides are with minus sign, then you have to move towards the smaller numbers which look smaller to you, because that only will be the greater. So 110 and 111. So which one will be greater? Obviously 110 will be greater than 111. So you have to put greater than sign towards -110. Why this side is greater? Because it is with minus sign. Okay. Now next part, it is minus plus. Firstly I told you that you have to see the sign. So minus plus, obviously positive will be greater than negative. So in this 21 will be greater than -475, right? Then in G part, it is given again this side positive and this side negative. Okay, so obviously positive numbers will be greater than negative numbers. So sign will come towards 51. H part, now both are with positive sign. When both the numbers are with positive sign, then the number which looks greater will be greater only. Okay, so 121 and 21. So 120, from 121 and 21, which one will be greater? Obviously 121 will be greater than 21. Then I part, 0 and 150 5. So from 0 and 155, which number will be greater? I told you all the positive numbers are always greater than 0. So here 155 will be greater than 0. So sign will come towards 155. And the last part is minus 19 and minus 9. Both the side minus sign is there. So minus 19, minus 9. Which one will be greater? Obviously minus 9 will be greater than minus 19, as opposite rules follow in negative numbers, negative integers. So minus 9 will be greater. Okay. So this was all in question number 5th. Simply you have to put the sign in the box that which number is greater. So please remember the rules of integers, that whenever minus sign is there, then the opposite rule will follow. So the number which looks smaller to you is actually greater in minus. Okay. And this thing also you remember, that whenever one side it is minus sign and other side it is plus sign, then without looking the number you can simply put greater than sign towards the positive sign, as I have done in this negative 2 and positive 2. So positive will always be greater than negative. Okay. So I hope question number 5 is clear to you. Now let's move on to the next question. It is rearrange the following in ascending order. We have to rearrange the given series in ascending order. Now to do this question is very much simple when you will follow the number line method. Okay. Otherwise while arranging you will get stuck somewhere. So better you firstly draw the number line, arrange all the given number on the number line, and then it will be very simple for you to arrange the numbers in ascending order. See how. Let's discuss this. Question number 6th A part. The numbers which are given here are minus 3, minus 7, plus 4, 0, minus 5, plus 3 and plus 15. These are the numbers which are given in the A part. So first of all what you will do, you draw one number line. Okay, put arrows both the side of the number line. Then count how many numbers are given in the series 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total 7 numbers are given in the series. So what you will do, you will draw 7 lines on this number line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As many numbers are given in the series, that many lines only you will draw on the number line. Fine. Now see, if 0 is given in the question, then first of all you will mention the 0 and then see how many negative numbers are given. So negative numbers are 1, 2, 3. So just drop 3 lines from here. इधर से आप 3 lines को drop करिए और पहले आप 0 की plotting कर दीजिए, because 0 के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में नेगेटिव नंबर्स आएंगे और 0 के राइट हैंड साइड में पॉजिटिव नंबर्स आएंगे. ओके, एज यू नो हाउ टू ड्रॉ द number line. Fine. So see, 0 is here. First of all, I have put 0. Now, when we draw the number line from here, what comes first? -1, -2, -3, -4, like this it follows, no? So we have to see that -1 is there, no. -2 is there, no. -3 is there. So we will write first of all -3. Whatever numbers are there, we will mention only that number. We will not draw the complete number line. Now, after -3, it is given -5. So you will plot -5. And then after -5 it is given -7, so you will plot here -7. So negative side is over. Let's move on to the positive side. In positive side, what is given? First of all, it is given number 3. Smallest is 3. Then after 3 it is given 4. And then at last the highest number is 15. So first of all, you have to plot all the 7 numbers on the number line. Then you have to arrange the series in the ascending order. See, once you will arrange it on the number line, no, then it is very simple for you to arrange it in ascending order. How? Just as you have written on the number line, same way you have to write it in ascending order. Means it will begin from here. If you remember the introduction portion, I have told you number lines comes in decreasing order when you go from right hand side to left hand side. अगर आप right hand side से left hand side में जाते हो तो ये decreasing order में जाती है, means bigger to smaller. और जब आप left hand side से right hand side में जाते हो तो ये ascending order में जाती है, that means in increasing order. From here it goes in decreasing order and from here it goes in increasing order. So simply you will write firstly -7 as it is written in the number line, same way you have to copy here. So -7, then you will put this sign because this number is smaller and the next will be greater than -7. So -7, -5, put this sign, -3, again put this sign, 0, put this sign, 3, put this sign, 4, put this sign, and then 15. So this is your answer. Like this you can arrange any set of numbers in ascending order. Simply firstly arrange it in number line, then it will be very much simple for you all, as you can see how easily I have done it. So just remember how to plot the given series in number line. See, I am explaining you one more part, B part. It is given +1, -1, +2, -2, +13 and -13. These are the numbers which are given and we have to arrange it on in ascending order. So first of all, again as I told, draw the number line like this, okay, and then count how many numbers are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total 6 numbers are given, so you have to divide the number line into 6 parts. So draw 6 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Right now you can see that 0 is not given in the series. अभी 0 नहीं है सीरीज़ में, तो हमें 0 की प्लॉटिंग नहीं करनी. अगर 0 नहीं है तो हम 0 की प्लॉटिंग नहीं करेंगे. सिंपली यू काउंट द नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स. कितने नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स हैं? 1, 2, 3. 3 नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स हैं. तो यहाँ पे 3 नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स आएंगे और 3 ही पॉजिटिव इंटीजर आएंगे. पहले हम नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स को प्लॉट करेंगे. सो नेगेटिव में सबसे पहले क्या आएगा? -1. ओके, देन -2 एंड देन आफ्टर दैट -13. सिंपली जैसे काउंटिंग चलती है आपको वैसे करना है. जैसे सबसे पहले 1, फिर 2 के बाद 3 नहीं है तो कौन सा नंबर नेगेटिव में गिवन है? -13, तो डायरेक्ट -13 आ जाएगा. यहाँ पे भी आपको सिंपल काउंटिंग लिखनी है पॉजिटिव साइड में. सो पॉजिटिव में सबसे छोटा नंबर गिवन है यहाँ पे 1, आफ्टर दैट 2 and after that 13. Okay, you can put sign also along with the integer, positive sign. So see, once you have arranged the number, then again as I told, it is simple. Once you arrange it to the number line, then you can easily write it in ascending order. From here, move from here to that side, it is in ascending order only. So -13 will come first, then -2, -1, +1, +2 and finally +13. Remember to put this sign because this side is smaller and the next one is greater. -13 is smaller than -2, as I have told you. Like when we take these two numbers, so both are with minus sign, so the number which seems smaller is greater. Remember, so you can see that this sign is coming. So -13 is smaller and -2 is greater than -13. Again this sign, less than sign. So -2 is less than -1. -1 is less than +1. +1 is less than +2 and +2 is less than +13. So this is the series of ascending order. Okay, I hope how to arrange in ascending order must be clear to you now. Please remember to draw the number line. See, similarly C part, it is -150 plus 11 plus 15, 8 minus 10 and -9. Again you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 integers are there. So divide the number line in 6 part. Then total 3 negative numbers are there. So arrange the negative number here. From negative, first of all arrange it in like counting. So -9 will come firstly, then -10 and then -150. And this side 8 plus 11 and 15. Then it is arranged in ascending order. So in ascending order, -150, less than -10, less than -9, less than 8, less than 11 and less than 15. Okay students, so like this you have to do all the parts of question number 6. I hope this is clear to you now. Okay, then also one more part, the last part I am explaining because all are similar only, so you can try solving yourself now. See, the F part is total 1 2 3 4 5 6 integers are there, so we will draw the number line and divide it into 6 parts and then count the negative integers. So total 3 negative integers are there. So firstly will come minus 11, then minus 35 and then minus 121, and this side firstly 21 will come, then 110 and then 211, right? So the ascending order series will be minus 121, minus 35, minus 11, 21, 110 and 211. Fine. So this was your solution of question number 6. Let's move on to the solution of question number 7. In question number 7, we have to do reverse. That means we have to arrange the given series in descending order. Fine. So it is the opposite of previous question. In previous question, we were moving from this side to that side. Means when you move from this side to that side of a number line, then it is ascending order. And as I told you, when you will move from this side to that side, then it is descending order. So reverse of that question, but then also I am explaining you question number 7th A part. See how to solve it. I am telling you practically. The numbers are minus 6, 7, minus 3, 4, minus 4, 5, 0, minus 13, minus 10 and minus 5. So these are the series, these are the numbers which we have to plot on the number line. So first of all, I have drawn a number line. Now I will be counting how many numbers are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 number are there in the given series. So I will divide my line into 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. After dividing my line into 10 parts, firstly I will check that 0 is there or not. Yes, 0 is there. So 0 will come in the center. Then how many negative numbers are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 negative numbers are there. So I will drop the 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After dropping 6 lines, I will put 0. Okay. So 0 will come here. And then here 6 negative integers will come. So from all the 6 negative integers, which one is the greatest? So the greatest is minus 3. So minus 3 will come here firstly. Then after minus 3 will come minus 4. According to counting you will move. After minus 4 will come minus 5. Then after minus 5 will come minus 6. After minus 6 will come minus 10. And then lastly it will come minus 13 here. Okay. And then towards the positive side will come firstly number 4, then number 5 and then finally number 7 will come here. Okay. So see, we have plotted all the numbers on the number line. Now simply you have to write these numbers in the form of descending order series. So it's quite simple. As I told, in increasing order you will move from this side to that side, and in decreasing order you will move from that side to this side. So simply you will begin with this number 7. This is the greatest. Then this side sign will come because 7 is greater than 5. Then 5 is greater than 4. 4 is greater than 0. 0 is greater than all the negative integers, that is 0 is greater than minus 3. Minus 3 is greater than minus 4. Minus 4 is greater than minus 5, minus 5 is greater than minus 6, minus 6 is greater than minus 10, and finally minus 10 will be greater than minus 13. So see, all the numbers which are there on the number line are arranged here in descending order. From back side to front side you have to move to arrange it into descending order, and from front side to back side you have to move to arrange it into ascending order. So it's very simple. One more part I am explaining you here, part B. In part B it is given firstly minus 1, then 2, then 151, then plus 11, minus 11, 14 and then minus 16. Fine. So again, draw a number line. Count how many integers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So divide your number line into 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then count the negative integers. 1, 2, 3 negative integers are there. So 1, 2, 3. On these 3 lines the negative integers will come. So first of all will come, as per the counting, -1. Then it will come -11. And then it will come -16. Okay. So you know the counting. According to counting, you arrange the numbers on the number line. Similarly, positive side, according to the counting, first of all 2 will come, and then number 11 will come, then 14 will come, and then finally 151 will come. Fine. So when you will arrange it into descending order, you will move from back to front. So the back one is firstly 151 will be greater than 14, 14 will be greater than 11, 11 will be greater than 2, 2 will be greater than -1, -1 will be greater than -11, and finally -11 will be greater than -16. So this is the answer. Fine. So like this you have to do all the parts of descending order. Okay. So part C, part D, keep on solving and then you can check your solution that you have done it correctly or not. Part D, part E and part F. So finally again last part I am explaining you so that it will be more clear to you. So the series here is 21, -21, 0, 141, -153, -63 and 71. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers are there. So divide the line into 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here you can see that 0 is there. Okay. So count how many negative integers are there. 1, 2, 3 negative integers are there. So drop the 3 lines firstly and put number 0 here. Then according to counting, first of all -21 will come, then -63 will come, and then -153 will come towards the negative side. And towards the positive side, first of all 21 will come, then 71 will come, and then finally 141 will come. Then arrange it into descending order. From back side, 141 greater than 71, 71 greater than 21, 21 greater than 0, 0 greater than -21, -21 greater than -63, and -63 greater than -153. Fine students. So this is how you have to solve your question number 5th, 6th and 7th that I have explained you in today's video, today's lecture. So go through it and I hope that you can able to solve these 3 questions by yourself now in your fair notebook. So please try to solve it yourself, and once you will solve it yourself, you will gain the confidence that yes, you can solve it without any help. Okay. So watch the video and thank you for attending today's lecture. That's all for today. Meet you all in next online class. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you students.